Hey my lovelies, good morning. I hope you are good. So I'm out here. It is stunning. This is absolutely stunning. Look at the sun. So I'm out here barefoot. I think actually yesterday it was raining because the grass is quite wet. But this is just beautiful. I just thank God. Thank all my loved ones. Oh, it's gorgeous. So have a lovely weekend, my loves. Go out into a park, or if you live by a beach or a sea, just go out, ground yourself, just receive all that the earth is wanting to give us. Yeah, have a lovely weekend, and I'm wishing you lots of goodness. Stay blessed. Bye.